We are putting out Easter inflatables.
Today, Easter inflatables.
Yeah. So this year we have the egg that we had last year. We just bought, what is this, Dawn?
Bunny?
Yep, we just bought a bunny, and then we have a dinosaur from last year also. So we're gonna put all these out. All right. So I'm gonna give you a visual of exactly where we're gonna put it. The green grass is sponsored by Turf Warriors, which is, you know, dad/hubby. We will be putting them in the mulch bed. So it's normally where we put them. Just so you can see around in there. So the switch was flipped in the breaker for outdoors, so I had to flip it back. So he already got the Easter egg up. We'll harness it down real good. Again, the bunny is new. Here, back. Woo! All right, so are you gonna plug Bunny up? He's about 4 feet tall, so not too tall. And then the egg is 2.5 feet tall.
Bunny.
All right, so.
Bunny. Yeah. Bunny. 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 Yeah.
Okay, he has an egg in his hand.
Bunny. 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 Bunny.
All right, and we'll harness him down. So what you got next? Dinosaur?
Dinosaur?
All right.
What is this? Bunny.
So if you want to see this one up close and personal, I will tag it above so you can see. I'll link a video for this one. Since we had them already, we kind of have a review set out for them. Now he's out. So again, we have the Easter egg, new from Walmart, a bunny, and then we have the dinosaur, which is kind of big, so we kind of have to prop him a little bit. All right, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Our channel has been struggling just a little bit because I know inflatables aren't in season right now, but you know, Donavan loves them so much, so we try to continue to put them out year round. If there's something you want to see, or if there's like a specific holiday you want to check out, go through our channel. You'll see a lot of different holidays. But again, thanks for watching.